Hi everybody. Okay, so let's quickly do a demo of our awesome recipe website. So this website has quite a few features. So I'll quickly run through the website and show you guys how exactly it works. This website template is available for sale if you guys are interested. My email address will be in the description of this video below. So let's start. Okay, so it's a very clean basic website. I'm already signed in as a user. So I'll demo that for you guys in a moment. So let's just quickly scroll down the website to show you the layout. All this can be changed according to your brand and your brand identity. That's not a problem. This is just a template. So it has internal linking, which is good for SEO. We have a newsletter sign up, which also saves to the database that is connected to this website. We'll get more into that when we go to the admin dashboard. We've got all our quick links, all our contact information, social media, etc. Okay, so let's go to the basic functionality of this website. So for instance, or for example, a user has an image of ingredients at home and they would like to create a recipe, but I don't know what to do or what to make. They can just click on create. They upload an image. They upload an image of the ingredients. So there's milk, some oats, flour, and an egg. They hit create. The AI is busy identifying what there is, and it gives it a quick, easy recipe to follow at home. It gives all the important information. Users can also print their recipes, ingredients, equipment, instructions, nutritional notes. Then they can save it. It will be saved to their dashboard, and there's their recipe. They can come back to it at a later stage and make it again if it was an awesome recipe. So there's another feature, and that is identify a recipe. For example, let's say a user saw a nice dish online and they would like to make it. They can just upload an image of a already made dish and they can hit identify. The AI does the same. It identifies what's in the image and it gives it a recipe. All the important information, quick and easy instructions how to make this dish. Again, they can save this to the dashboard and then users can go back and yeah, there's their recipes. Okay, so let's go to the admin dashboard where the real magic happens for this site. I'll quickly sign out and then I'm gonna go to the admin dashboard, and here's the admin dashboard. So now I'm signed in as an admin, and here's all the recipes that I've created so far. So we've got our newsletter. So when users sign up for the newsletter, they can admin can download a CSV with all their subscribers. They can plug it into their preferred newsletter sender. There's a message section, so all the website messages will come here. And then you also have a users list where all your users are. Okay, so the other main function about this website, which is really cool, is it can generate recipes. So the admin can start driving traffic with good keyword research recipes. So you can go in the beginning, go for low competition recipe ideas. There's many ways to where you can find these. You can, for a free method, you can use Google's keyword planner. If you have a paid subscription to other SEO tools, you're welcome to use that. I'll show you guys just now. We have already started ranking with this as we have implemented this to be recognized as a recipe through Google, and the SEO is done very well on these recipes when it generates it. So let's just type in a simple pasta recipe. Let's see what the AI creates. You can go more into detail. If you have like a long tail keyword, you can put it in here. The AI will write it and create it according to that keyword. This is just for demo purpose, so we just create a simple pasta recipe. We hit generate. So it's quickly busy generating this recipe, and there it is. It gives the recipe title. It goes into a category. It sets the cuisine, which Google wants to see when it comes to a recipe. It's got SEO description, SEO title, keywords, and then we'll come to the image section now. Recipe description, a short little intro, also optimized for SEO and keywords, and then it has all the details, all the fields that Google needs to recognize it as a rich media and a recipe on their search terms. It also has a FAQ, which is very good for rankings. And then the equipment, and again here's the keywords that Google will recognize for this recipe. Okay, so now let's go to the creating an image section. So we currently have these two service providers, but I can put other service providers in for you guys if you would like that. We can put in Flux. I know Flux is very good with image generation, realistic image generation, but for this demo purposes we'll just use this. Gemini is not that good. It's free, but it's not that good yet. But as time progresses, AI just get crazier by the day and much better. But that's besides the point. Let's hit this button and create an image. It takes a while. I would say about 30 seconds to generate an image, and the AI will give it a description of this recipe for the AI image generator to create a image according to that description. Let's just wait for this quickly. So it starts loading, and there's the image. Very beautiful image that was created, and then admin hits save. It saves it to the database, and then they can come down and they can publish it. And now the recipe is live on the site. And another cool feature is you can just click generate sitemap. It will update the sitemap, and that recipe is added to the sitemap so search engines can discover your content. Okay, so there's the recipe, and look how fast this website is. That's why I'm not a big fan of WordPress sites. They're very slow, and yeah, I'm just not a fan of WordPress. I love Next.js, and the other benefit of a Next.js website is you host it for free on Vercel. You can have a lot of traffic before you even need to consider upgrading to a paid tier. With the free version is more than enough for a simple recipe site like this, and it can handle quite a lot of traffic. And then there's the recipe. It's created, it's got all the cool features, and yeah, and that is as easy as that. And I'll quickly go and show you guys. So this is one of the recipes on our site, and there we're already ranking #1 with this. So if you're very clever with your keyword research, you can start driving a lot of traffic to your site. And like I mentioned, we can definitely customize this website for you if you want to maybe start monetizing it in other ways, start asking a subscription. We can build that functionality in. It's not a problem. It's quite easy to implement that. I have other sites with that business model that I will showcase on this channel in the coming future, but today we're just focusing on this recipe site. So yeah, if you guys are interested, please reach out to me. My email address will be in the description of this video, and let's chat, and I can create this website for you guys and reskin it and make it yours. Cheers guys, thanks.